Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Hi listeners, my name is DJ Cheong and I'm an investment strategist at Standard Chartered Bank. You are tuned in to the weekly FX Navigator, where we give you an insight on key FX drivers and catalysts we are focusing on in the near term. Today, we will talk about why we continue to favour the pound and why we think it has room to rally against the dollar over the next few weeks. Firstly, we expect the summer months to bring the next wave of a broad dollar decline. The UK has led Europe's rebound, having rolled out a robust vaccination program. This remains pound positive via accelerating economic growth. Secondly, we believe the Bank of England, the BOE for short, is likely nearer to tightening policy, be it through tapering or policy rate hikes. The most recent set of economic forecasts suggests UK inflation will likely rise further, and this reflects strong post-pandemic growth. We note the Bank of England has also been one of the least active central banks in the wake of the 2008 financial recession, the Eurozone debt crisis, as well as Brexit. So with UK political uncertainty receding in the near term, we believe the central bank has more flexibility to respond to recent economic developments. Thirdly, as risk sentiment improves, we should see renewed capital inflows into the UK, and that means the pound could rally further. Before we move on to technicals, here's a few top-line risks you need to watch out for. For one, we need to monitor the narrative around the UK's lead in combating COVID-19, as any doubts over the UK's reopening could weigh on the pound. Increased rhetoric around the Northern Ireland Protocol could also result in a renewed rise in UK political risk premiums as well. Having said that, technicals indicate support between 138.50 and 140. Investors should look at accumulating the pound for the next leg of the rally towards resistance at 142.50 and 143.75. And this brings us to the end of this week's episode. If you would like to find out more about our latest publications, head to our website at sc.com and look for the tab titled Latest Market Insights. Now listeners, if you liked and found this podcast insightful, we appreciate if you rate and drop us a review. Thanks for joining me on the podcast today and have a great week ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.